Hey everyone, welcome back to Shreya Coder. In today's video, we are diving into an important topic, functions in Python. So functions are building blocks of any program. So in this video, we will learn what functions are, why they are so useful, and how to create and use them in your own projects. So first, we have functions. So what functions are? Basically, let's think of it with an example. Like we have a small machine, we have given input there, then it will do its job, then sometime it will give me output. So this is how small machine works. So this is basically what functions also do. Like we have print function in Python, right? If I write something on the screen with print function, it will be printed. But if I want to reuse that function, I'll have to write the whole function, then it will again work. Like here I am writing print Shreya, right? Now I cannot write it again. I have to make function again, then I'll write someone XYZ, right? Then only I will print this. So this is a harder thing to do when we have a lot of names. For example, I have 100-200 names, so I will have to type all the names. So it would be harder and the program complexity will be more. So to make it easy, we use functions. This is the main reason why we use functions. So let's create a function. For example, div greet, right? Name, right? Greet name. I will simply write print hello. What we have to give, we will simply write this name, right? This is how it will work. Let's see. So function is created. Now what we'll do next, we'll simply greet the name of the person. For example, Shreya. Hello Shreya. So this is whenever you want to use hello Shreya or you want to greet someone, you can use this function anytime in the program. Simply writing greet, then the name of that person. You don't have to write the function again. So this makes our code simpler and our work more easier. So this is why we can use functions wherever we want to reuse anything. We always use functions. So this is how functions work. So now let's learn in detail how to write a function. So here let's make a function. I have written def, def, which means we are defining a function. So to make any function, we should use def to define a function. Next, I'll simply write the name greet. I'll making greet function over here only. Then parentheses in which we give parameters. I'll tell about what parameters soon in this video. Don't worry about that. Then after giving colons, the indented block comes where we'll write print and the thing you want to print. For here I am simply printing hello world. Okay, right? Then to run this function, to call this function, we'll simply call greet and it will work. Hello world. Alright, so this is the simple syntax of functions. Means if we want to create any function, it will be created like this only. Okay, oh my God, this is shifted unnaturally, right? So this is how it will work. You can see. So now it's finally the time to talk about functions with parameters. So what are parameters? Like I have created greet function here, right? But I have not given any parameter in this one because we were talking about syntax, right? So the parameters basically means the values that any person can give any name, like I give name here, right? Then I have to change this, like we'll change hello name, right? And simply close this. So this is be modified. Greet missing one name. So why is giving me error? Because I have to write name here. Simply write Shreya. So hello Shreya. So this is why we give parameters, because to give names of our own choice. Because if we'll run greet function without parameter, it will give me hello world, but I have given name here, so I can put name of my own choices. Then what are default parameters? So default parameters are like def greet name is equals to friend. So we'll simply write name is equals to friend here. Name is equal. So this will be the default value. It will take on its own if we'll not give any name here, like f then hello name, right? This will work. Then simply write greet. I have not given any value here. Now let's see. Unmatched. What happened? Wait. Something happened here, I think. F hello name, right? Then this so hello friend. So this is why default values are used, default parameters, because here if I am not giving any value, let's move this now, so it will give me error, you can see, but here I have not given any value, still it's running because I have given default parameter as friend. So this is why it works. This is why we use parameters in our codes. So now we have returning values. So what does one mean by returning values in a function is we write a function def add, like if we want to add something, right? So we will give parameters. Let you all think what are the parameters. To add a number we give two parameters, to add two numbers, right? Then we'll simply write return a plus b. So means this is the, what is this? This is the main thing we want to do here, right? If someone's write add function, then it will return me addition of a plus b. Then result will save is equals to add the numbers we want to add, 5, let's give 8, 7, right? We're giving this, then we'll print result. So let's run this. So this gives us 15. So here I have saved the addition of two numbers in the thing result, because we can use this in our program later on. We can simply write the print result, then it will give me this value, which is so simple to use, right? So this is how returning values also works. Let's make something interesting, which is a function for calculator. So we'll simply write def defining function we are creating calc, right? And now you tell me how many parameters we should give here. First would be a, b, then operation. Right? These are the operations we are going to give, right? Then we will simply give if and else statements. If operation is operations is equals to add, right? And we should write add in this. Print return. We'll not write print, we'll write return. A plus B, right? Elif operation is equals to subtract return A minus B. So this is what, and I am making it here for 2 operations only, so don't mind for that. Return what it should return, invalid operation. Okay, so this is what we have done here. So let's make a print statement. Print calc, then we'll give numbers 19 plus 8, 19 comma 8 comma add, right? Let's see, 27. So you can see the output is here with us. So this is how we created, what we created, a simple calculation of addition and subtraction. So that's all for today. Functions are super powerful. They save you time, make your code cleaner, and let you focus on solving bigger problems. I hope this video helped you understand how to create and use functions. So next I am giving you 2 practice questions. So try your own functions and write more functions. So these are 2 to check even or odd and to check square numbers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shreya Coder, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.